Welcome, friends. In today's video, we are talking about a man who is most talked in modern history. Some people love him. Some people hate him. But everyone knows his name. Donald Trump is one of the most talked about men in modern history. He was a businessman, a television star, and later, the President of the United States. Some people see him as very smart. Others see him as very dangerous. But one thing is clear. No one ignores Donald Trump. This is not only a political story. This is not only a business story. This is the story of a man who turned his own name into a powerful symbol. A symbol of ambition, confidence, risk, failure, and strong self-belief. This is the story of Donald J. Trump.
Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, New York. His father, Fred Trump, was already a rich real estate businessman. His mother was strict and believed in discipline and hard work. Donald did not grow up poor. He grew up around money, buildings, and deals. But even as a child, he was very different. He was energetic, aggressive, competitive. He always wanted to win. At the age of 13, his parents sent him to a military academy, not to punish him, but to control his behavior and teach him discipline. Life there was not easy. There were rules everywhere. Discipline was strict. Mistakes were punished. Many students could not handle it, but Donald adapted. He learned how to follow rules. He learned how to give orders. He learned how to lead others. Slowly, he became stronger. Those years shaped his thinking. From that time, one idea stayed in his mind. There are winners and there are losers, and Donald promised himself he would never accept losing.
After finishing military school, Donald Trump went to college. He studied at the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania. It is one of the best business schools in the country. There, he learned how money works, how deals are made, and how businesses grow. After graduation, he joined his father's company. The business focused on apartments for middle-class families. But Donald wanted more. He did not want small success. He wanted big success. He wanted Manhattan. Manhattan was risky. It was expensive. It was competitive. Most people were afraid. Donald was excited. He wanted tall buildings, bright lights, big headlines. He wanted people to notice him.
In the 1970s, New York City was in trouble. Crime was high. Buildings were empty. Many investors were leaving the city. But Donald Trump saw opportunity where others saw danger. He believed risk creates reward. One of his first big projects was the Grand Hyatt Hotel. Many people said it would fail, but it did not. The hotel became successful. After that came Trump Tower. Tall, shiny, gold-colored. It stood out from everything else. Trump Tower was not just a building. It was a message. Donald Trump understood that image matters. People believe what they see. And if something looks powerful, people believe it is powerful.
By the 1980s, Donald Trump was famous. His face was on magazines. His name was in newspapers. He appeared on talk shows. Trump became a brand. The brand meant luxury, big deals, confidence. Trump enjoyed attention. Even negative attention did not bother him, because attention kept him relevant, and relevance meant power. But success did not last forever.
In the 1990s, Trump faced serious problems. Some of his businesses failed. His casinos went bankrupt.
He lost billions of dollars. The media said his career was over. Many people laughed at him. But Trump did not disappear. He talked to banks. He changed contracts. He restructured his debt. He admitted mistakes, but he did not accept defeat. Failure did not break him. For Trump, failure was temporary. Quitting was not an option.
In 2004, Donald Trump entered television. The show was called The Apprentice. Every week, people watched him make decisions. "You're fired." The show became extremely popular. It changed his image again. People now saw him as a strong leader and successful businessman. The show made him famous to a new generation. Trump was no longer just selling buildings. He was selling himself. His voice, his confidence, his personality.
In 2015, Donald Trump made a shocking move. He announced that he was running for President of the United States. Many people laughed. Politicians did not take him seriously. Experts said he could not win. But Trump understood media. He spoke directly. He used simple language. He attacked his opponents openly. He stayed in the news every day. People listened. Against all predictions, Donald Trump won the 2016 election. A businessman entered the White House. As president, Trump was very different. He followed America First policies. He focused on borders, trade, and national pride. His supporters loved him for his confidence and strength. His critics disliked his words and behavior. Every day, there was controversy. Every statement became breaking news. Trump did not avoid conflict. He seemed to enjoy it. Chaos kept him powerful.
In 2020, Donald Trump lost the election. But his story did not end. There were legal cases, investigations, media pressure. Still, millions of people continued to support him. Trump showed the world one important lesson. Power is not only a position. Power is presence. As long as people talk about you, you remain powerful.
Donald Trump's story is still not finished. Some people see him as a fearless leader. Others see him as a dangerous figure. But history will remember him. From real estate to reality television, from business to politics, Donald Trump changed how power, media, and fame work in the modern world. And the world is still watching. In you, the video, subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.